What's going on, everybody? Good friend Sweet T here, Black Diamond Harley-Davidson at our brand new spot in the reimagined Marion Mall. I'm standing behind a 2026 electric Coast Blue CVO Street Glide 3. These are hard to come across. This one was purchased before we ever got it. This thing is fully trimmed up. You've got the beautiful electric Coast Blue, pinstriping throughout the motorcycle, featuring the 121 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 motor, variable valve timing transmission, Rockford Fosgate 1-2, stage 3 in the lowers. And then over here we've got the chromed wheels. Everything is super sharp, chrome front end. Look at these Dominator wheels here. Beautiful trim on them, nice little Easter eggs inside as you get a close look to this bike. New redesigned tour pack rack here, trimmed out lowers, more space for your passenger, heated seats and heated grips. Come find me, Sweet T, get an exclusive peek at this motorcycle before it's gone. We'll see y'all at the shop.